We're going to be looking at another traditional kata in Koto Ryu Koppojutsu, and this one's called Ura Nami. We're just reviewing the classical form to kind of review the principles, and then we'll apply modern variation to the classical kata. He comes in, and I'm going to step back. 1, 2, 3. Now, in this particular kata Ura Nami, I'm going to take my foot, kind of like a kigiri in a way, but I'm going to strike his foot to kind of break the balance that way off, and then I'm going to use my shitoken or double and strike in the thumb this way here. So that's the class and step back in the kamae. So the classical kata, let's do that one more time so we can get a good flow here, right? So I'm here, go ahead again. 1, 2, 3, boom, like this, and then you can step back. Now let's look at a modern take of this, right? I'm all for the kick to the leg. I think there's nothing, we see that in lots of other martial arts, particularly Kempo. You know, one of our 7 traditions, Koto Ryu Koppojutsu does a lot of those, kicking the leg out to break the balance, to get them to move, to open things up. I'm all for attacking the legs like that. I think it's something different. It's something that a lot of people don't expect. But we're going to change up that strike a little bit, right? So here, modern, and again, to oizuki. Again, we're going to be taking away this big fudoken, this lunge oizuki punch. We're going to turn that into more of a modern stepping in with a haymaker, and instead of this long back knuckle block, I'll be using the wakura uke, right? So, as the pillow block. So as we're here, he comes in, 1, 2, 3. I'm still going to kick that leg to kind of break that balance here, and then from there, inspired by one of the students in here, headbutt right in the face. Nothing like headbutting them back, right? Inspiration from the students, huh? So here we go, right? So we're here, and he comes in. 1, 2, 3, bang! And then step back and evade, right?
Yeah.